can help to brighten the complexion and improve skin radiance. Charcoal Purifying Serum Smoothing Gel, 1 tablespoon. Charcoal attracting and absorbing dirt like oily skin and detoxifying premature aging. And 1 teaspoon grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidant with vitamin E to get glowing skin lock in moisture. Especially help tighten skin and clean up pores, and good for both dry and oily skin, and perfect for everyday routine to improve skin elasticity in firming skin. And 1 teaspoon milk to give brightening and smoother skin. This combination of charcoal, grapeseed oil, and milk cleansing and detoxifying, especially rich in antioxidant and moisturizing benefits, can help to slow down the aging process and improve the overall appearance of the skin to give brighter the complexion and improve the radiant skin. Detoxifying and clarifying skin, pampakinis, pampaputi, dinidetox na rin ang ating balat. Direkta lang ilagay sa balat, pwedeng-pwede sa buong katawan, pwede rin ito sa mukha. 10 to 15 minutes, pwedeng-pwedeng ibabad. Dahan-dahan mo itong i-relax at i-massage. Pwedeng isabay sa pagligo, 2 beses, 3 beses, pwedeng ulitin sa 1 linggo. Thanks for watching, guys!